What happens when science goes completely off the rails? Inside a trash can? We're not talking about just a bubbly mess. Not just some foamy fizz. We're talking about a chemical blast so wild, your neighbors might think ET finally touched down. And the best part? It's 100% real, totally legal, and dangerously fun. Let's blow your mind literally. What is elephant toothpaste? Forget everything you learned in school. The basic elephant toothpaste reaction? Sure, it's fun. Hydrogen peroxide plus soap plus a catalyst like yeast or potassium iodide equals a bubbly burst of foam. What you're seeing is oxygen gas rapidly expanding and getting trapped in soap. Sounds cute, right? But let's take the safety wheels off for a second. Most classroom demos use 3% hydrogen peroxide. Some rebels might use 6%. Hardcore chemistry teachers? Maybe 30% tops. But us? We're going full send with 50% hydrogen peroxide. The stuff used in rocket fuel. The kind you handle with gloves, goggles, and prayers. Now add potassium permanganate or manganese dioxide to speed things up. And suddenly, this isn't just foam. It's a roaring, steaming, alien-level chemical eruption. Why a trash can? Because science deserves to be wild. Why use a boring beaker when you can use a trash can? This isn't just a container, it's your personal launch pad. The tall, narrow shape creates a pressure buildup that turns foam into a geyser. The result? A vertical eruption so massive, it looks like your garbage bin just summoned the spirit of science. Want to go extra? Add food coloring or luminol. Now it's not just foam, it's glowing alien slime shooting 20 feet into the sky. Real-life case study. In 2022, a Dutch science group pulled off this exact STUNT 50% hydrogen peroxide in a trash bin. The foam exploded over 30 feet high, splashing into buildings. The video went viral. No injuries, just pure awe. And maybe a few confused pigeons. Time travel to 2030, where science class gets a sci-fi upgrade. Welcome to the future. In 2030, chemistry classes are done in augmented reality labs. Students wear AR goggles, control variables with AI, and trigger chemical reactions like they're in a video game. Imagine this. Greater than Alexa, simulate a 70% hydrogen peroxide blast inside a digital trash can. BOOM. You get a virtual foam volcano with heat maps, gas breakdowns, and slow-mo playback. Science isn't boring anymore. It's immersive. It's interactive. And it all started with backyard nerds dumping chemicals into bins. But let's be real, is this safe? Okay, time for a reality check. This isn't your kitchen baking soda volcano. We're dealing with high-concentration hydrogen peroxide. That means gloves, goggles, adult supervision, or trained experts. The reaction is exothermic, meaning it releases serious heat. Water can boil, surfaces can melt, eyebrows can vanish. So please, don't just toss chemicals into a sink and shout, "Science!" Respect the reaction, love the blast, protect your face. Why are we obsessed with explosions anyway? Here's the cool part. Humans are wired to love controlled chaos. Explosions, colors, movement, it's visual candy for our brains. Elephant toothpaste looks wild, but behind the madness are chemical laws and predictable patterns. That combo of unpredictability plus science equals instant dopamine. But here's the twist. This foamy reaction isn't just for fun anymore. Researchers are exploring similar reactions for eco-friendly industrial cleaning oxygen generation systems in space, carbon capturing foam tech to fight climate change. Yeah, the same chemical chaos that blew up your trash could one day help save the planet. Final words. So next time someone tells you science is boring, show them this, a trash can, some rocket-grade chemicals, and the pure joy of controlled chaos. Because when you mix curiosity with a bit of madness, That's when science really explodes.